a shake it and guess what? Rvssian lose control of the vehicle where I drive. Blood clot.
Me look good in my clothes and naked. Give me a heart or bank, I'll break it. And then you can get the best of me. Don't
Give me your heart. I'll bank, I'll break it. Wait.
give me a heart or bank, I'll break it.
Give me your heart, our bank, I'll break it. So she will break your bank account and she will break your heart. Talk to me now.
And then you can get the best of me. Don't stop. I love to break my back. I love to move my waist like that. Waist trim but the ass so fat.
Yo, this remind me of Shake It to the Max. It have the same feel. We see the similar video with Rvssian tonight in a Shake It to the Max also. But this definitely remind me of Shake It to the Max.
Just pop it, you know I love. Waist trim but the ass so fat. Just pop